All right. So, does anyone have any questions about trig identities in general?
A question that I could actually form right now, probably not.
Same.
Wait. All right. So then, as you learned in the preparation activity, it only takes one case to prove something is false. Show that the following equation is not an identity and discuss why. So imagine we could just plug something in and show that it doesn't work. So like put in 30. So it'd be sine of 60 is equal to 2 sine of 30. And it doesn't work. There you go. There's my answer. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Because sine of 60 is equal to square root of 3 over 2. And sine of 30 is 1/2 multiplied by 2 is 1. So that right there disproves that it doesn't work. Any questions?
Oh, that was easy.
That one was easy. All right, I'll let you guys handle the rest.
Great. Yeah, no, so I read through number 2 and I'm at a loss for words. I didn't know what I was doing. So we're trying to find the equivalent of the sine of inverse of tangent of x. So what are we looking for? The sine of the inverse tangent of x? Or I just don't get what it's asking for, or what we're looking for.
I think what you're looking for is, you have to word it differently, where it's like, we're looking for what angle makes it so that the tangent of sine of x or something like that. I can't. I thought I had it. I didn't have it. But that's what you're doing. Like you're finding what angle is that? Yeah. What angle will make sine? Anyways, let me find it. Oh, this one. Given that x is a side length, the output of inverse tangent of x is an angle. That's what that is. So x is a side, and the output of what is inverse tangent is it's an angle.
Okay, that makes sense.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I have a question.
Okay.
What's the difference between arctan and tan H?
There is a difference.
Like,
we haven't learned tan H. Tan H is like complicated, and I really hope we don't have to go through it. Like I don't even remember what it is, but there is a difference.
okay.
Yeah, that's news to me. I don't know what that is.
Okay. Because I always thought it was the same, which is probably why I got wrong answers. So,
arctangent and inverse tangent are the same.
I guess I thought inverse tangent was tan H.
Yeah, so the tan H and sine H and cosine H and all that, that is having to deal with hyperbolic functions.
Well,
Yeah.
You can stop
So-
talking because I don't know what you're saying. I don't
It's
want
just-
you to waste your breath.
we're just praying to the Almighty Maria that we do not have to deal with hyperbolic functions.
Oh, Maria, I'm gonna use that. That's good.
Gosh.
I was crying the other day because I missed the drop deadline and I was really praying about dropping, and then I was like, oh crap, I'm past the drop deadline.
Well,
Answer to your prayer.
there's your answer.
Better stick it out.
That sucks.
I mean,
All right.
my question is, do you get the grade that you earned when you dropped the class? Or do you get the grade that you would have earned, like, adding up all the zeros of the rest of the weeks that you didn't do?
Good question.
I have to
I
club
don't-
you on that one.
I don't think you get the grade that you have at the class because I would just like as soon as I get an A, then I would just drop it so you didn't have to finish the
Yeah,
class.
that's true.
That wouldn't make sense. Everyone.
Oh, you get like a W, don't you?
Yeah, you get like an unfinished type thing, whatever, and it's like really bad.
Yeah.
Does that affect your GPA?
Yeah,
It does. Does it?
I don't know. I
I-
imagine it would.
I was told that the W's don't affect your GPA, but they affect whether or not you can get like grants and scholarships and stuff.
Oh, really? Dang.
Yeah.
But can't you retake it so that the W goes away, kind of
I think so.
But you only have 3 of those.
thing? I don't know. I just don't plan on ever needing it. So that's
Yeah. That's the goal.
that's the goal right there, right?
I don't know how to do this.
Hmm.
Just in case you were wondering.
I was. Actually. Guys, it's late because I'm really not that funny.
Oh man. Okay, so drawing a triangle. So we know that X is a side. Which side is X?
Opposite. So let's see here.
Find the equivalent algebraic expression.
So let's see if this works. You see my paint?
Nice. Okay.
So this is the angle, and so if it's
Oh, gotcha.
the tangent of x, so it would be x over 1. We have opposite over adjacent,
Right.
x over 1. So that one's 1, that one's x. And then what's the other thing you're looking for? Find the third side. X. So that means that there is inverse tangent of x. That's the angle. And then the third side would then be
X squared plus 1. Square root of X squared plus 1.
that would make sense. square root.
For the algebraic expression, did you get x square root x plus 1 x minus 1 over x plus 1 x minus 1?
I haven't gone there yet.
Isn't that the first part of that question? Find an equivalent algebraic expression for
Hmm.
Right, but I think we're supposed to work through all of the other things here to get to that. I think that's where we're getting.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, so then the other algebraic expression would it then be x over the square root of x squared plus 1?
But you can't have a square root on the bottom.
I'm still working through it.
Sorry. I wasn't yelling.
So then we have that goes away. I don't know. Does that work? My bad painting skills.
That's kind of close to what I got.
The x in the numerator can cancel out with one of the x squared in the denominator, right?
Well, I was thinking because it's plus 1,
And you can't touch it.
kind of. That's what I was thinking. Like you could factor it out and then do it maybe if you wanted to do all that math.
Oh, that's true. You have to do that. Let's see what the answer is.
Can you factor it?
Whoa. What sort of witchcraft is this? We're close.
Let's see here. I always forget about the answer key.
I never do. This is my lifeline.
Please figure out where that is. All right, let's go. Hey, look at that. What are you looking for? Sine of theta. Given the x to side length, what is that? An angle. Okay. And then, so square plus 1 is equal to unknown square the square root of x. Okay, so we got that. You can now find sine of theta. What is sine of theta? So why is the over x underneath the square root?
Yeah, that's what I can't figure out.
I mean, it makes it simpler for us.
Right. think it's just wrong again because it doesn't make any sense.
And it doesn't really explain it, so that doesn't help.
Yeah.
All right. I'm fine with accepting that.
Wait, but shouldn't it be the other way around?
Well, that's the other thing I was thinking about. So I was looking at number 3, and I feel like it needs to be sine of x squared plus cosine of x squared times sine of x squared minus cosine of x squared.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that.
I don't know where they're getting the 4s from. What is that?
Yeah, that doesn't look right.
Yeah, I'm fine with just accepting that these are all wrong.
That's funny.
I try.
I think I might accidentally fall asleep.
I'm fine with that.
Oh, man. I do not have the mental capacity right now to be working through these problems. FYI.
Nope.
Oh,
And the B part of 3 doesn't make sense either. Maybe it does. I'm not sure.
so just so we're clear, like all of these problems are basically just substitution, right? Like we're just
Yeah.
substituting what we already know to be able to simplify them.
Yes. Which is stupid.
We're just doing it on steroids and sines and tangents. And yeah.
It's all pointless.
Agreed.
It's like if you already
Yeah.
can use one equation, why would you try to find another one?
Agreed. Like I'm just gonna plug it in my calculator anyway. Let's be real.
Yes. Oops. Oh my gosh.
Just so you guys are aware, our text conversation we had earlier with the raising of hands, I blurred out your names and screenshotted that and put it on Instagram, and it's blowing up.
What happened to Connor?
I don't know. He gave up hope.
Are you talking, Tyler?
I wasn't. I am now.
Oh, your lips were moving, and so I was scared that your mic like went out again.
No, I was talking to myself. I was trying to do these problems in my head.
Oh, how's that going for you?
Not good.
You guys making fun of me?
No?
No, Emma was making fun of me.
Yeah.
Sounds bad. All right, where did we leave off at? Oh gosh. I just see that and just no thank you. It's not even interested.
Like, just not a fan. Thank you.
I really want to screenshot your face, Tyler.
Yeah, this is just not going well.
Yeah, I don't understand it. I was working through the homework really well, though. Like, I was cruising through it. But this is
Yes.
like,
I was just starting the homework too before we got on, and it wasn't this.
Yeah.
this is hell.
Yeah, which is so frustrating to me that the homework is not like what's on the tests and on the hangouts and that stuff. It's frustrating.
These don't even make sense.
No.
Like I'm reading through this first one of number 4, and it's just like they put in extra X's, they take out X's, like
Yeah,
it
things
doesn't
are
match.
just disappearing. I was trying to make sense of it, and I can't.
Okay, so I get that. That just cancels itself out. 1 minus. Okay, so the first one's easy if you like have it set up right. You made it so it makes sense. Do you guys see the first one?
Yeah.
Does that make sense to you guys?
Well, I'm looking at it. It doesn't make sense.
Okay. Is there a way to just like wipe this? Like what the heck? All right. Where are we at? I go on to Excel. Excel works so much better because I can type it out. But I understood it, so that's what's good.
Yeah, that's great.
This is
Please share that knowledge.
okay. So we have 1 minus sine squared of x times cosecant squared x plus sine squared of x, and all of that in the center. Cosine of x. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yeah. Will you
Okay.
make it bigger?
Yeah.
There you go.
All right, so this is what we have. Do you see what I did there where I put it over? That's like over that. Okay, so we have this here. So we have the 1 minus sine squared of x times cosecant squared of x. Squared of x. So that right there, do you guys know what cosine or cosecant squared of x is? It's 1 over
Oh,
sine
so that's
squared of x.
1.
And so the sine squared of x and the cosecant squared of x, that just cancels out and that turns into 1. And so you
Gotcha.
can just change that all to 1. And then you have 1 minus 1, which you just get rid of. And so you're stuck with sine of x, or sine squared of x over cosine squared of x, and that turns into tangent squared of x. That makes sense? Get it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sweet.
Why does this matter?
I know.
That is the overwhelming feeling I'm getting right now. Like, why am I doing this?
What's the point? Just to prove
Taylor,
yourself.
thank you for speaking my inner thoughts.
Okay, moving on.
All right, so cotangent is it's cosine x over sine of x. And so the two signs cancel out. So we just do cosine of x minus cosine squared of x times secant is 1 over cosine.
Right, so those just cancel out.
They just cancel out, and then I cancel again, so it's just 0.
Okay.
You get that, Emma?
Yeah. Sorry.
Emma, did you get it?
Yeah.
I believe you. All right. So you know what cotangent is, right?
Yeah, it's
Say it. It's right there. Just say it.
1 over 1 over tangent?
There you go. What is tangent?
Sine over cosine.
Sine over cosine. And so when you have 1 over sine over cosine, you can put cosine over sine. So cotangent is cosine over sine. Does that make sense?
Oh.
Okay. So right now you have cosine over sine times sine of x. And so the sign that's already there and the sign that you put below, those cancel out. And so you're left with cosine minus cosine squared x times secant of x. Make sense? Are we good?
Yes.
Okay. So now what we have here, I'll type it out. So right now we have cosine of x minus cosine squared of x times secant of x. Okay, so what's secant?
1 over sine. Cosine.
There you go. It's opposite. Yeah. But so it's 1 over cosine, and so you have 1 over cosine times cosine squared of x. And so you have the cosine on the bottom cancels out one of the cosines over there. So that turns into nothing. You can get, whoa, stop. So you can get rid of that, and you get rid of the squared. And so now you're left with cosine of x minus cosine of x. Tyler, can you help us out?
1. Just kidding.
Right.
That was a joke.
Ian and Tyler are just like deeply concerned. All right. So we did that one. Go us.
And we're done, right?
If only.
Oh. I mean, we could be done.
We could be done. It's true. Soup. Oh man, don't make it complicated, please. Goodness gracious.
Which one are we doing?
The third one. Oh,
Okay, not working.
I'm not doing this right.
I can see where you're going with it, but that's not. I don't know if it'll come out the same, but that's not how the answer key's doing it.
That's not how the answer key is doing it. I thought
No.
I would.
That way looks easier.
But I
But
don't think it'll work.
yeah. But I also don't know how the answer key did it because I just kind of threw everything together. I don't know how that works.
I Oh, I know what they did. I just don't remember how to do it.
Lucky you.
It's basically what they're doing is they're subtracting fractions, and that one process where you basically multiply both sides by each other, and then you put what's on the bottom on the top. I don't remember how it works, but I know that it works, and I understand what they're doing. I just give me a second. I have to plug my.
Can someone tell me how they got 2?
What? Where they went from cosecant x plus 1 minus cosecant x minus 1 to 2?
Yes.
Yeah, beyond me. I don't know what happened there.
Because 1 times 1.
Oh, I got it. Okay. Factor out the negative, so you have cosecant x plus 1 minus parentheses cosecant x minus 1. So if you factor out the minus, you get cosecant x plus 1 minus cosecant x plus 1. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And so then the cosecants canceled out because one is positive, one is negative, and then it's 1 plus 1.
Oh.
That's tricky stuff.
How did they get rid of the minus 1 on the bottom of the fraction?
Yeah, I don't know that either. I also don't know how they got the fraction in the first place.
Yeah.
Because I can see where they multiplied it out by the denominator, or by the denominators, but then we lost Connor.
Oh, that sucks because he's the one that...
He's the one who knew how to do it. Okay, let's try
Still alive somehow, though. How is it still alive?
I don't know. That's impressive.
Did you start it?
Nope. I have yet to start one because I don't know how to do it.
Huh. This is very unfortunate.
Oh, there he is.
I say we give him... Oh, dang it. I didn't join again. We're gonna go to bed.
I was really worried it stopped broadcasting.
Well, that's what we were saying. We were wondering how we were still going live even though you dropped out. Like, that was weird.
Oh, man. Anyways,
Okay.
did you guys figure that one out?
No, kind of. So I see how they multiplied out by the denominators. I just don't see how they got the final denominator of cosecant squared of x minus 1.
So basically what they did is they multiplied cosecant x minus 1 times cosecant x plus 1, and that's what they got.
Oh. And then the 1 just turns negative.
Yeah. So you... Oh, here, I think I remember now. Let's see. Let's go. Perfect. So what you do is... I need to have paper with me. So you multiply that out like I said, like they have it.
Mm-hmm.
So you multiply that out so that you have cosecant squared of x minus 1. And so that's the denominator of that you put on both sides. And so you have that, and you have to figure out how you get this from here. And the way to do that is you multiply this by that. And so you put up here on this side cosecant of cosecant of x plus 1. And then over here you have minus, and then you have here cosecant squared of x on the bottom minus 1. And then you figure out how do you get cosecant squared of x from
Did he just stop talking or did we lose him?
I was just gonna ask the same thing.
I think we lost him.
He left and then joined again. Or maybe he left. And his screen went blank. Maybe his computer died.
Maybe. We're still alive.
I say we give him another 30. I'm just kidding. Oh, there it goes. It's gone. 26, 25.
Oh. Oh, there he is.
Hey guys.
You made it.
I did. I'm sorry. But I'm down with calling it a night, so
You're down? Is that what you said?
yeah, I'm down. I'm fine.
Yeah. Because I mean, all of this, it's really simple once you like get all of your trig identities down, because it's all just substitution. That's kind of the vibe I'm getting.
I don't want to do it.
Yeah, but we have to.
But I don't want to.
Um,
Who made this part of the curriculum? It's like they ran out of stuff to teach, so they're like, let's do this pointless stuff for the last 3 weeks.
let's do 3 weeks of annoying substitution. Yeah. Like, explain to me how this applies to real life situations, and I'm fine. Like, whatever, I'll figure it out. But I mean, I just don't see how this would ever apply ever to anything. Ever.
Yeah.
So that's where I'm at.
I saw a really funny meme, and this is because I'm a mom, so that's the only reason I find it funny. But it said, it goes, me in high school, I will never use this. Why are they teaching me? And then it's like me as a mom, and it shows the kids' homework, and it was like, dang it, I do have to use it again. Oh my gosh. Okay, Connor left. Can we just hang up before he gets back on?
I think so. I mean, he. I think so. I mean, he said we were going to call it a night, so I think we're done. I think we're done here.
I'm not in the mood for this.
Yeah, this was a little too much for me.
Yeah. I don't think any of us wanted to do it today.
No. It also doesn't help that we're doing it like 10 or 11 o'clock at night. That is not helpful.
True.
Yeah. But that's okay.
All right.
Okay, well, let's call it.
All right.
I'm assuming Connor's going to submit this since he was the one that started
Yeah.
it. Okay. Cool. All right. Well, we'll see you on Thursday then.
All right. Sounds good.
Okay, bye.
Bye.